Describe in detail about the uh, economic importance of algae. Algae are economically important as a source of food, animal feed, and uh, fertilizer, fertilizers, and for their use for their use in industry to produce product like agar, carriginum, and biofuels. They also play a vital role in environmental services such as wastewater treatment and oxygen productions, and support the aquaculture industry. Uh, Support the aquaculture industry. Uh, Food and nutritions. Human food. Many species are edible. Many species are edible and rich in nutrients, proteins, vitamins, and minerals, including porphyra, nori, and chlorella. Food supplements, algae like spirulina, are used as protein-rich food supplements and uh, nutraceuticals. Algae are a source of algae are a source of nutritional supplement and compound for health products. Agriculture and animal feed. Agriculture and animal feed. uh, कहाँ से हलें? Agriculture and animal feed. Agriculture. Algae are used as biofertilizers, rich in macro and micronutrients. Rich in macro and micronutrients. Rich in macro and micronutrients through their soil structure and fertility. Further, they serve as a source of improving their growth and health. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, क्या चाहिए? And soil reclamation. Certain algae can help reclaim alkaline and degraded soils. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, क्या चाहिए? Industrial applications. Thickening agents. Algae are used as produce hydrochlorized like agar from Xylidium and Gracilaria and Carriginum, which are used in food food toothpaste. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, काजी हैं फूड toothpaste, ठीक ना. इसके बाद फिर बायोफ्यूल. Algae are being exploited as a source for sustainable biofuel productions. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, सिकाची हले बैक्टीरियल ग्रोथ, ठीक ना. बैक्टीरियल ग्रोथ. They are used in laboratory. They are used in laboratories for source of culture, medium for growing bacteria. इसके बाद फिर क्या से हले अथीन है environmental services, ठीक. Waste water treatments. Algae are utilized in sewage treatments to plants absorb pollutants and help clean water through photosynthesis. Oxygen nutrients. By performing photosynthesis, they produce a significant nutrients of the world oxygens and help the fix carbon dioxide. इसके बाद फिर कैसे हले हेल्प फिक्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ठीक ना. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, सेथिन हले medicine pharmaceutical. Certain algae are used to produce medicines including pharmaceuticals and फार्मास्यूटिकल्स एंड नहीं एंटीबैक्टीरियल एंड एंटी कोगुलेंट एजेंट्स एंड एंटी कोगुलेंट एजेंट्स pharmaceuticals compounds. Algae are used to produce compounds are used in pharmaceutical and supplements. And aquaculture and other aquacultures and aquaculture and the uses other. इसके बाद बताते हैं कहाँ से हैं. अथेन है कहाँ से है fish farming. Algae are essential for the protecting the find the food are used in fish farms are used in pisciculture and binding engines. They are used in a bind for used as various products. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं recreational purposes. Some algae are used for recreational purposes. Answer complete.